Got a switch back up here. I'd probably stay, now let me see myself first. Stay to the inside, I guess. Shift your weight uphill, of course. You may want low, man. Or whatever you want to do. I'd go to low if I were you, because once we come to this next switchback, it's very steep descent, at least for the time being. Look at that snake. That's a rattlesnake. It's a small. It's a small one. He had a little rattle on him, he or she, whatever it was. Yeah. was all right once I passed by, but 2 and 3 was too much for him. Pissed him off. Yeah, he didn't like that. That's the first time we've seen the rattlesnake up here. We've seen them on, you know, online on the Hatfield McCoy pages. People post pictures of them, even way bigger than that. Yeah, that was a small, like a baby or something, I guess. Yeah, that one's got a little age on it. I guess when you're the front man of the band, you see more. I don't know. I don't know though. I mean, it was hard to miss that thing though. It stood out. I mean, it was like, that's a snake, sure enough. Yeah, he was headed the other way. He didn't turn around till y'all came by. He was getting mad at that point. I've heard them say that about somebody claimed they did the reduced deer population, but I don't know if that's really it. And I also heard a story that wasn't it, that they rode in packages and things that were delivered, you know, to the army bases and stuff. I mean, I don't know who's really got it right, like that they were in some of the boxes and things, and then, you know, they came from somewhere else and hitched a ride there. But I don't know if that's really, I don't know who's really got the accurate details on that. All right. was a little surprised Dad rode as slow as he did by it. I figured he was gonna gun it, you know, and then he was like, he was taking it in. Which I guess I went kind of slow by it, but he wasn't facing me at that point, so. Not today. Well, the length he had, he would have had some, you know. I mean, that, yeah. I guarantee somebody that would have come through here would have seen that, they'd have had to stop and tried to play with it, you know, try to agitate it more, you know. Yeah. Some of these people shoot them, don't they? Right, yeah, that would. Now, I'll be honest with you, if I see one and I'm already at a rate of speed, yeah, fuck, I'm gonna run right over it. But, I mean, you know, because I'm not, if you stop, but then at the same time, it does make you wonder, like, what's gonna happen when you run over it? Is it gonna get caught underneath, or is it gonna, you know, I don't know. I'm not gonna have an accident to avoid running over one of them, though, I'll say that. Entrance to 37, man.